Dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Today we will discuss doing words. Doing words or action words. Action words are called verbs. So let's begin. Doing words. See this picture. There are two action words, swims or runs. Now you tell me what is the correct word. The duck dash in the pond. What is the correct action word? Correct action word is swims. S-W-I-M-S, swims. The duck swims in the pond. Now just see, there are two birds. What will be the correct action word for this? The birds dash in the sky. The sentence is, the birds dash in the sky. Sit or fly? The correct action word is F-L-Y, fly. The birds fly in the sky. One mouse is there in front of you. Then what will be the correct word for this mouse action? This mouse is doing some action. You have to tell me the correct action word. The mouse dash cheese. Makes or eats. The correct action word is eats. E-A-T-S, eats. The mouse eats cheese. After mouse, cat. Here everybody knows the correct answer. Drinks or eats. The cat dash milk. The correct action word for this sentence is drinks. The cat drinks milk. Now lion. The lion dash in the den. The lion dash in the den. Lives or jumps. There are two action words. You have to select the correct one. Tell me what should be the correct word for this sentence. The lion dash in the den. The correct action word for this picture is lives. The lion lives in the den. L-I-V-E-S. The lion lives in the den. Children, you also search some more action words around you and do practice. Thank you so much.